Dear friends, this is Dr. Venkat Sashaya wishing you all the best. Today I will tell good homeopathy medicines that can cure permanently and efficiently, very smoothly. For a complaint, acne, acne, acne or pimples. This is a common problem related to beauty. If a person is having a good looking face, if that girl or boy is having pimples on his face, he looks somewhat gloomy. So naturally people want to treat pimples or acne properly. Very good answer is there in homeopathy only. In allopathy, there are so many creams mixed with chemicals. They don't work properly. They will go on seeing the advertisements in the TV. They think that the complexion will be their own. The advertisement attracts the people like that. But simple, very effective, very easy, very costless treatment. So simple, this treatment is there available in homeopathy. But the thing is, there is no common medicine to all the acne people, acne or pimple suffering people. One person may differ different kinds of medicines, but I have here some shortlisted medicines. Shortlisted medicines means you can try one after the other for a short period. You will be perfectly well after some time. You will be a doctor for yourself. That is the way of my teaching to the people to cure themselves. That is important. Unnecessarily, we should not rush to the doctors who are business oriented, and many advertisements that recommends many creams for face. They are all fake. By attracting the advertisement by a celebrity, you are going to them. That's not a good idea. Homeopathy is the safest system. Here we have to select the potency and the medicine on our own. Very simple. I'll tell the symptoms and the connected medicine with potency also. I will post the photos of the medicine in the video because I am not directly contacting you by my video. I will post with the photos in the video. For example, very first remedy is we have to see the symptoms that causes the acne and pimples, acne or pimples. And one more complaint is there, rosacea. These three complaints are put together, we treat in a different way, unlike allopathy, where they will give the medicines they divide in different ways and they give the medicines. All ointments and certain things they will give. Here, our lifestyle should be changed. First thing is avoid junk food. Avoid junk food, particularly maida. Maida and refined oils are too dangerous to the people. And don't use any aluminum vessels in your house. These things will prevent you from getting this kind of pimples at puberty. When the boy or girl is 10 years crossed, then this problem comes. It will be there up to 30-40 years. So treating them is, first thing is change of lifestyle. Change of lifestyle means don't eat too many biscuits, chocolates, ice creams, sugar made sweets. These are the things. Everybody at the age of 10 to 15 years, they like very much ice creams, chocolates, biscuits, all packed items, kurkure, chips, like that many things are there. They want to eat that. They are prepared with unnecessary chemicals that interfere with our health. So avoid those things. Now I will tell the medicines. For harsh, rough, dry skin with blackheads, use sulfur 30. Sulfur 30. I will show the picture in the video. Sulfur 30. Daily 1 dose for a week. That's all. For a week or even three times in a week. No need to take every day. That is the fun in the homeopathy. They will give you, doctors will give you blank pills, no medicine in that. Here we should understand medicine is there only to use occasionally. So sulfur 30, if you are taking daily 1 dose is not required actually. If you take it once in 3 days, that is good. 1 dose means 2 to 3 drops of the liquid or 5 pills directly on the tongue. 2-3 drops also you can take directly on the tongue. This is a common dosage method for all the medicines which now I am going to tell you. Number 1 medicine we have told, sulfur. Number 2 is Carbovez. This works for young and teens from 13 to 19 people. Carbovez 30 is the good medicine. And red pimples with pus formation. Red pimples with pus formation. That is Ledempal 30 medicine. Ledempal 30 medicine. From sexual causes. Sexual causes means generally at the puberty age, children means youth, they will do some kind of sexual interest, show some sexual interest. That is, they want to masturbate and they worry a lot. For that particular complaint, if they are getting pimples and acne, acid fast 30 is very good medicine. Acid fast 30. Of course, in women, there are menstrual troubles, then sanguinaria 30. Sanguinaria 30 is the medicine. All these medicines you should take 1 dose in a day, 3 times in a week. Don't take daily. Observe closely, follow the lifestyle which I have mentioned. These things, these 4 or 5 medicines which I have told now will definitely cure your acne or pimples, blackheads, whatever you call, blemishes on the face, so many things. And you can apply calendula cream to the face. These are the things. We will daily, now I will give you daily some disease and its treatment in homeopathy. Homeopathy is the safest treatment. Mind that. That is more important than any other thing. You can take medicines on your own without any trouble, without any side effects. Believe that homeopathy will never harm you. Even by mistake, if you are taking wrong medicine or wrong dosage also, you need not trouble. That is the way. Thank you very much.